And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Real mild day today, sunshine, nice, knocked it out of the park, 60s to near 70. And areas that hit the 70s, mainly southeastern Mass. Believe it or not, Cape Cod and the islands were some of the warmest temperatures. But even if you settled in the upper 60s, it was really nice. So this is the time of year when the season starts to get into about the halfway or a little over the halfway mark. I start kind of crunching numbers. And we're almost 2/3 of the way through fall. Remember, meteorological fall starts on September 1st. And when you take the average temperature for the day, like the high and the low, and you bring them together, you get an average temperature. And so far, I didn't even count today's mild day, but so far this fall, we are averaging 60.8 degrees. Why is that significant? It's crushing the other 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. We are 3 degrees up right now going into the end of October and into November. And if we could keep this top spot, since records have been kept, this would be the mildest fall on record. It's pretty crazy. Now I'm going to totally flip the conversation back to cooler temperatures now. So here we are on the heels of being number one and maybe headed that way for the end of November and having it the warmest fall ever, well, since we've kept records. And we're going to have a cool night tonight. 40s and 50s. We're not done dropping yet, though. Temperatures eventually will trickle down into the low 40s and upper 30s. So when you wake up tomorrow, heavy jacket, whatever your preference is to stay warm. This graphic here shows the Providence temperatures in the city, low 40s, but the outskirts, like areas like in Scituate or areas like in Easton or North Dighton, you wake up to a 38 or 39. And there will be patchy frost tomorrow, especially away from the coast, but I don't think it will be really all that widespread. I think actually the better chance for frost will actually come tomorrow night into Saturday when the temperatures will likely be even a bit colder during the overnight. So look ahead. Yes, it's cool, and yes, it's chilly at night, but there's a lot of sunshine. We had it today. We deserve it. It was a tough start to the week through Wednesday, right? Sunshine Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Tomorrow is the coolest day. Tomorrow night's the coldest night. And then gradually moderating temperatures into the weekend, low 60s and sunny. No mention of rain until early next week, and that's because this big dome of high pressure just dominating really the East Coast right now, bringing sunshine from Maine to Georgia. But this low pressure here, bringing some thunderstorms to Texas and some snow in New Mexico today, that will eject out of the southern Rockies into areas like Texas and Oklahoma as we go into the day tomorrow. We just continue to enjoy beautiful weather. On Saturday, that low will eventually advance into the beautiful state of Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, and then back up the coast as we start to go into early next week. So what happens is it takes its time getting here. It allows us that window of opportunity to have a nice Friday, Saturday, and Sunday before the rain starts to work up the 95 corridor sometime Monday morning at 7 a.m. on our heels and entering New York City at that point. And then finally in the afternoon, rain, and it will continue through the evening. It will be steady after midnight and then continue into Tuesday morning. So how does it work out for your trick-or-treat forecast? If you can do it on Sunday night, that would be better. But on Monday night, plan to bring the umbrella because it looks like the showers will be around for all the candy getters. Get past Tuesday morning and the rain moves out. Wednesday and Thursday, I put more sun now, and the temperatures stay really nice. There's nothing really all that cold. A couple chilly nights, but next week, high temperatures stay in the low to mid 60s all week long. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. Bill Belichick updates the QB situation for real, though. Brad Marchand